Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Now that we got the contoured grip walk soles off and put on the flat standard Alpine DIN soles, I'm gonna try to fit this to all of my skis. All those bindings adjust a little bit, but I did go down in a full boot size, so hopefully I don't have to remount any of them. The top one should be the easiest because it's on rental demo slider bindings. Let's start there. That was pretty easy. The forward pressure indicator on this binding looks like this little window where we want that white part in the middle. I clicked in the old boot for fun, and the indicator is actually a little too forward here, but we don't care about the old boot. We just want to make sure the new one is good. And to change that, we move this on the rental bindings. This one has a latch to slide this back and forth to change that pressure. And this binding also has a toe piece that moves where we have numbers here corresponding to our boot size. And the one we have is a 306. Let's move on to the next boot. Luckily, this one is similar to the last one. The toe piece slides to a number. The heel piece doesn't have any numbers, but we just slide it snug and make sure the forward pressure indicator is in the middle. My DINs are usually set between 8 to 10. That's for 38-year-olds, 6 feet, 180 pounds, kind of aggressive skier. Let's move on to the next one. This one's really interesting because I don't see any pressure indicators back here. I'm definitely taking everything into a ski shop and having a pro take a look, make sure everything is safe. I think I lucked out on this one too because this fastener back here moves it front and back. The most forward position is here, and it just happens to fit our new boot. So hopefully that works. Let's move on to the last ski. So these are adjusted by this fastener in the back here to lengthen, and this is the shortest setting we have, but there is still so much space from here to here compared to the old binding. So next video, we will remount these skis. I could use 4 out of 5 of them, so not in a hurry. Video 241 done.